Hello lovies, welcome and welcome again. Peace and grace to everybody. My name is Miss Masao and today we are going to be cooking cassava covered in coconut milk. Now if you're clicking in this video for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. The first thing that you're going to be doing is take your pot, add in your cassava that is already peeled and cleaned, then add in some water to cover the cassava. Just enough water, don't overdo with the water. Then add in a generous amount of salt and cover your cassava. Let it boil until it's soft like mine. Once it's soft, remove all the water. Then you can now go ahead and divide the cassava like I am doing right now. I'm dividing it in a half and you can see it's very easy to do so because the cassava is very soft. And then after that, after dividing the cassava, you're going to add in your coconut milk. Now I do use a store-bought coconut milk, but you can also use your homemade coconut milk. I'll first add in 1 tablespoon of oil. This is optional. Then I'll add my coconut milk and start moving the pan around to mix everything. I do not advise to use any wooden spoon or spatula at this point because the cassava is very fragile and you're going to be breaking it apart, and that is something that we do not want. After this point, you're going to let your cassava boil for at least 5 minutes until it is well cooked and well mixed with the coconut oil, and it's going to be ready. This recipe is from the coast of Tanzania and it is a very quick and easy recipe to make, and at the same time it's very delicious. Now we ate our cassava with beef stew. You can eat it with veggies, with fish, with chicken, whatever it is, beans. It is very delicious. Lovies, do not forget to subscribe because I do know that most of you who are watching my videos are not yet subscribed. So please subscribe, like, comment and share, and see you next time, lovies. Grace and peace, yo.